When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few improvements are as effective as window replacement. If you're a homeowner in Sumter, South Carolina, you know that the local climate can take a toll on your home's exterior, especially on the windows. Over time, windows may become drafty, outdated, or damaged, which can diminish both the look and energy efficiency of your home. Replacing those old windows with modern, stylish options can transform your house into a standout property in the neighborhood while offering several additional benefits that go beyond aesthetics. First impressions matter. Your curb appeal is all about making a lasting first impression, and your windows are one of the first things people notice when they drive by or visit your home. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to elevate your home's look, new windows can give your property a fresh, modern appearance. The right windows can make a significant impact on the overall style of your home, complementing its architectural features and enhancing its exterior design. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary window designs or more traditional styles, upgrading your windows can provide an immediate visual boost that will draw the eye and make your home more inviting. Increased value and marketability. For homeowners in Sumter considering selling their property, window replacement can significantly increase your home's marketability. Buyers are often drawn to homes that are well maintained, and updated windows signal that you've invested in your property. Windows that are energy efficient, visually appealing, and in good condition can make your home more attractive to potential buyers. With a more modern look, you may find that your property stands out from the competition and helps you secure a faster sale at a better price. Even if you're not planning to sell, a window upgrade can be an investment in your home's long-term value, ensuring it remains in great shape for years to come. Energy efficiency and comfort. In Sumter's hot and humid summers, energy efficiency is a significant concern for homeowners. Old, drafty windows can allow heat to seep into your home, making your air conditioning work harder and driving up energy bills. When you replace your windows with energy-efficient models, you not only improve the aesthetics of your home but also enhance its comfort. New windows are designed with modern insulation techniques that help maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. As a result, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while also saving on energy costs. Additionally, energy-efficient windows can reduce your home's carbon footprint, making it an eco-friendly choice for those looking to contribute to sustainability. Protection and security. Beyond appearance and energy savings, window replacement also contributes to the safety and protection of your home. Older windows may have worn out seals, cracked glass, or unreliable locking mechanisms, leaving your home vulnerable to the elements and security risks. New windows are built with stronger, more durable materials that offer better protection against break-ins and weather damage. Whether it's safeguarding your family from storms or deterring potential intruders, modern windows are equipped with advanced security features that give you peace of mind. Low maintenance and durability. Another major advantage of replacing your windows is the low maintenance that comes with modern designs. Older windows often require frequent repairs and upkeep, whether it's scraping and painting wood frames or replacing rotting sills. New windows are built to last longer and are often made from materials that require little upkeep. Vinyl, fiberglass, and other modern materials are resistant to moisture, weathering, and wear, which means they will continue to look good and function well for many years with minimal effort on your part. Customizable to your style, Window Replacement offers an opportunity to personalize your home to reflect your unique taste. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to choose from, you can select windows that align perfectly with your vision for your home's exterior. Whether you prefer the classic look of double-hung windows, the sleek appeal of casement windows, or the expansive view offered by sliding glass doors, there are options to suit every architectural style and personal preference. Conclusion. In Sumter, where the climate and the environment can have a considerable impact on your home's exterior, replacing old windows with energy-efficient, visually appealing models is an investment worth considering. Not only does it enhance your home's curb appeal, but it also boosts its market value, energy efficiency, and safety. Whether you're looking to sell, improve comfort, or reduce maintenance, window replacement can transform your home in ways that benefit both you and your property in the long term.